Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the AirPods Max have enough battery. If uncertain, plug into a lightning cable for a quick 5-10 minute boost. Once done, take them out of the smart case. The case can keep them in low power mode and position the ear cups so the right side faces you. Now locate the digital crown and the small noise control button. Pressing the crown engages basic power and pairing sequences so you can continue. Press the digital crown once to wake the headphones. You'll hear a chime and sensors will activate. If you need to pair with a non-Apple device, press and hold the noise control button or hold the digital crown until the LED flashes white. This tells you the AirPods Max are in pairing mode. Next, open Bluetooth on your phone, tablet, or computer, find AirPods Max in the list, and tap to connect. Once paired, the chime confirms a secure link. After pairing, play audio to verify sound comes from the AirPods Max. Make sure your device shows them as the active output. Tweak fit and engage active noise cancellation or transparency with the small button, and use the digital crown to adjust volume precisely. If the headphones don't power on or fail to pair, reset them by pressing and holding the noise control button and digital crown together for about 15 seconds until the LED.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.